All right. Okay, there you go. I think I just confirmed it. We are live. What is happening, guys? What is happening? This is episode 4 of our Two Fight tutorial. Two Fight is our multiplayer turn-based game that involves both authentication, communicating with database, storing it locally as well, and authentication stuff. Between bleh. Anyways, I can't talk right now, guys. I really just wanna. I'm just like really itching the code like so much. So, anyways, so today, as you guys can see in the title, we're gonna be improving our authentication both in the code base as well as the UI of it. For example, what I started actually doing was okay. If you guys look at, so this is our current issue. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Before we even talk about what we're doing today, I want to talk about. Let's just uh, let's just review real quick what we did last time. Last episode we basically clean up our login by, for example, auto capitalizing certain fields if we need to. What do you call this? Having the enter or return key go to the next field or run one of the buttons if it was tapped, as well as other login improvements like disabling the top button if we need either one or both the fields to be not empty, and then also storing the user's image to the storage and getting the photo URL as well as the display name assigned to our user. And then lastly, we also all those user properties, we also upload them to the Firebase. Um, let's see. Do I even have an example? Okay, then yeah, I probably do, or not. Okay, never mind. Yes. So basically, our previously, if you guys remember, our cloud Firestore was populated with our user data. That includes the email, the username, created at, updated at, basically all our properties populated except for the phone number. So yeah. So now today we're gonna improve or yeah, and we also created a couple of to-dos from last episode. That includes preventing landscape orientation. We can easily do that. And perhaps adding Google and Game Center authentication. And then other nice to haves are in here. Um, but we'll see. If you guys want me to fix any of these nice to haves, feel free to leave a comment down below. If not, it's probably won't get to it because it's cake. But hey, like I said, if you guys really want me to make a video of it, leave a comment down below. All right, so where were we? Well, before we even do that, let's futuristic our oh yeah, let's go back now to our previous code, which is this right here. All right, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but this thing right here is so this is our previous code, working code, before I commented it out and started adding other stuff. And the freak, oh, because I changed this URL to an actual URL. Okay, anyway, so this was our finish creation function that, like I said, stores the image, and then we update our authenticated users And then after that, we set our users' data to the database. And then what if we need to do more callbacks? Then we're gonna basically have this like really so many indents here for no apparent reason. So Swift have actually solved that with using this thing called throwaway and async throws. So um, so that instead of this callback hell right here, we basically have a code that looks like this. Much cleaner than this callback hells. And then if we need to add more callback, we just add it here without having to indent, and everything is happening in here instead. And I believe we don't have to use self because we are not inside a um yeah, we don't have to use self as well because we are not inside a callback. So that is nice. So yeah, that's why there's a lot of benefits on using this. You don't have to, obviously, but this makes it a little bit more future proof. Okay, now I'm kidding. Callback will also work just as fine, just as well. But hey, we're advanced iOS developers, right? All right, let's do this. Oh yeah. And so to get our code to work and be able to call like this, we needed to make some minor changes in our account network manager. Goodness, my screen is black again. Why does that always happen? Thank you so much for letting me know, by the way. TV. Okay. Why is my screen always no, it's not. It's not black. Yeah, what we're doing. Okay, you're trolling me, man. It's not black. My screen's not black. All right. Actually, hold on. I actually feel like, and I'm actually really sad that I didn't hear that. I thought I'm gonna be hearing sounds now if I get any message. Let's trigger a fake text message. Okay. All right. Hmm. Test. Okay. Is it still black now? Bro, why is my message there not showing up in the up here? Oh man. My own message is not gonna get put it there. Oh. All right. Anyways, where were we? Oh yeah. So now our in order to get that to work, we have to basically update our code from took a note our function by changing our function from this into this instead. Really, the only thing that changed is this part right here. This part right here really is the only one that changed. While here this is the part that changed. Async, the async throws basically says, well, okay, so if we don't want to throw any errors, then we just say this. But since we do have errors, we have to say throws. And then since this is our expected value that we are, yeah, expected value, just like this one. That's our gonna be our return. And then yes, so basically our code now looks from like this into this. And then our callback to create our user, our call to create the user will, what was that sound? That was such delayed sound. Okay. So yeah, our callback will, instead of looking like this, it looks like this instead. Isn't that so much cleaner, guys? Isn't that so much cleaner? So yes, we're gonna be updating our code to look like this. And like I said, making it a little bit more modernized. So yeah, our create user is basically in here. And then what this is doing is that it does a call on create user. And then once it's done, it returns a result, and then from which is our auth data result, and then we create a user from that basically. Yeah, we create a user from that, and then honestly, how many people is doing this? It's calling this function. Oh, it's the same guy. Honestly, yeah, I could just do this. Because I don't think I need to do anything else that's fancy. All right. Honestly, I can just do that as well. So we're gonna erase that function as well. And then yeah, this is a lot cleaner to yeah, this is a lot cleaner to understand, a lot more readable in my opinion. Auth data result. So it's a lot more explicit on what it is. And then this guy right here, and then our store image function. We'll go from this into this right here. So much cleaner, so much shorter as well, a lot easier to understand, because we know that this is an asynchronous function that takes in an image and a user ID, and it will eventually return a URL that can be nil because it's optional. All right, and then yes, so this thing right here will turn into from here into like this instead, and then um yeah, and then we return that URL. We can probably even just go like this, but you know, for testing purposes, I guess I'll just leave the URL. I'll create a variable for the URL, and then our updating our authenticated user. This one was actually a little tricky because this only returns a uh, potentially throws, but it doesn't return anything. As you guys can see up here, that it returns a URL. This one does not return anything. So it looks like this. I should probably add a comment on what this does. And then we basically just commit changes and we don't do anything. Since it doesn't return anything, um, we just call the function and that's it. And call it a day. All right, update. Auths. No. Update users in information on auth. All right. Update current users auth. Okay. And then let's erase this guy as well. Like I said, we don't need him anymore. And then same thing as this one. Okay, so and then now set data is the same thing as our updating our user. We just want to update our user and then return if we have any errors. Okay, set the no set update users data on the database, the user database. Update users data on the database. You know, no, there's a better way to actually. There's a shortcut for it. I'm trying to remember. Is it this? Is it this? No. Is it this? I know there's a shortcut. Oh gosh. There's a shortcut to easily create a documentation. There you go, that one. What is that? No, there's what I was. Oh, I probably assigned something else on it. But yeah, option command question mark or the dash will add it for you. This thing would. Oh my goodness, really, bro? I would not have. Oh. This thing really froze. That command really froze Xcode. What the freak? Well, coffee time. Come on, man. I thought M3 Max will make me not see these weirdness in Xcode, but I guess you still do. Bro, really? Oh my gosh. M3 Max, this is really disappointing. I can't even. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Okay, hold on, wait. Bro, just cancel it. Just cancel the command. You don't. Okay. I guess we'll do a quick break then until Xcode decides to fix itself. Oh my goodness, what is going on, bro? Okay, yeah, now this is unacceptable. This thing gotta go. Where's force exit? Oh my gosh, where's force exit, bro? Trying to make it come out. Bro, oh my, bro, oh my gosh. I broke Apple. I wonder if this is, nope, I'm not, my frames is not dropping. At least according to OBS. Okay, bro. Is it still really, 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 really? Why can't I at least? Oh my gosh, bro. My whole thing froze. My whole computer froze. There's my stream is still even working. My computer froze. What the actual fuck, bro? I regret running that. What the fuck? No. That thing really broke my computer, bro. Stuck at spinning for life. Bro, I can't, my computer's not, I can't even use my computer anymore. I can't move. I may have to force restart my MacBook then. So yeah, it's still frozen. At least the stream is working. Bro, please, 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 please. Let me use my computer. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to restart the stream, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to restart the stream.